Ever wondered how those fitness goals could be achieved in a fun, enjoyable way? Well, cycling might just be the answer. It's a fantastic way to build strength, improve cardiovascular health, and explore the world around us. Starting off on this journey may seem daunting, but fear not, cycling for fitness is not as complicated as it might seem. It's all about taking it step by step, and before long, you'll be pedaling your way to better health and fitness. Step 1, get a bike. This might seem obvious, but the kind of bike you choose can make a significant difference. Opt for a bike that suits your needs and comfort, whether it's a road bike, mountain bike, or a hybrid. Remember, the right bike is the one that encourages you to ride more. Step 2, safety first. Invest in a good quality helmet and ensure it fits properly. A helmet can reduce the risk of head injuries by up to 85%. Don't forget about visibility. If you're riding at dawn, dusk, or night, lights and reflective gear are must-haves. Step 3, plan your route. Start with flat, traffic-free areas. As confidence and fitness build, gradually add in some hills and busier roads. Cycling apps can help plan routes and track progress. Step 4, start slow. Cycling is about endurance, not speed. Begin with short rides around 20 to 30 minutes, gradually increasing the duration as your fitness improves. Step 5, mix it up. Vary the intensity of your rides. Some days can be about leisurely rides, while others can be more intense, pushing your limits. This variation will not only keep things interesting, but also help improve your overall fitness. So to recap the journey to fitness through cycling, start by choosing the right bike, prioritize safety, plan your route, start slow, and mix up the intensity of your rides. Remember, consistency is key. It's not about how fast or how far you go, but how regular you are. Cycling is more than just a physical activity. It's a way of life that promotes overall well-being. It builds physical strength, enhances cardiovascular health, and even boosts mental health by reducing stress and improving mood. So, embrace the journey, enjoy the ride, and witness how cycling can transform your fitness and health. Remember, every ride is a step towards your fitness goals. So keep pedaling, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep enjoying the ride. Because at the end of the day, cycling for fitness is not just about the destination, it's about the journey.